In this video, you will learn how to use Google Workspace as a CRM. Set up Google Sheets as your CRM database. Use Google Sheets to create a customer database with columns for names, emails, phone numbers and notes. Organize customer data with filters and labels. Apply filters, conditional formatting or color codes to keep track of your leads, prospects and clients. Use Google Forms to collect customer information. Create a form that directly links to your Google Sheets to add new leads automatically to help your CRM. Connect Gmail for communicate tracking. Track customer conversations and more using Gmail, applying labels and using filters to organize client-related emails. Schedule follow-ups in Google Calendar. Add reminders and events in Google Calendar to never miss a single meeting, follow-up or important deadline. Collaborate with your team. Collaborate your team in Google Drive. Store proposals, contracts and client documents in the Drive. Help you share them with your team for easy collaboration. Now you know how to use Google Workspace as a CRM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.